please like and subscribe. We're at 961 subscribers. 1,000 means the channel will be monetized, which means 14 years worth of work from climbing hold review and whatever will actually be eligible to make money for people that do watch it, which means I will make absolutely bumpkus, but it will make me feel slightly better about myself. So please like and subscribe. This needs to get glued up. I have a plan. The plan is I'm going to pin temporarily this center strip right here. Pin, 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 pin. This can wait. I'm going to number all of this, which is going to be a pain in the ass, and then I'm going to start gluing and pinning to this point. Now I'm going to put some blocks down with some weight to hold it down because I think it's going to need it. I was going to use chalk to actually mark this, but I've decided that's a stupid idea, and I will pencil mark everything. I know that I did, whoops, actually. Right, I pinned the first 2 rows here. So, I guess maybe that one's... phase one is done. Good enough for me. I won't bore you with the rest of this actually rather riveting glue up because, yeah, well, it is what it is. I'll find that bit of wood. Is it beer o'clock? Oh, it's 5 to beer. I'm going to stop for a bit, go chill, play some video games. Please remember to like and subscribe. Pretty please. I hope you're all doing well. Take care.